How to return item to Zara in store as well as online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to return item to Zara, you must do it within 30 days of purchase date. For in store, you just want to make sure to go ahead and open the Zara app. Actually, what you want to do is for in-store returns, use a Zara store locator to find a nearby location in the same country or region of purchase as well. So once you do this, you have to bring the item along with your original receipt for a store purchase or a Zara QR code found in the app or our order section for online purchase. So what you want to do is if you want to return it online, you just want to go to the online, you just want to go to the account section at the bottom right. There you have purchase section and you have these online and in-store section, right? You want to go to online section and you want to select the particular item that you like to return. Simply want to go ahead and follow the answering prompt in order to return an item, and that's how you're supposed to return item. And for in-store, you just want to make sure that you have all the necessary documents ready, like the receipt and the item as well. And with that, you should be able to return item to Zara as well. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.